In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Litespeed mountain bike in the standard box. For the standard box, we will ship your wheels separately from the bike to ensure your bike is safe while shipping. When pulling out your wheels, make sure to pull out the hub end caps. When opening the box, you'll notice that your bike has been neatly packed for shipping. In the box, you'll receive a small parts bag. The bag will include a shock pump, a manual for your suspension, a t-shirt, and some rubber grommets that can later be used to upgrade your bike to Shimano Di2. Next, we will lift the bike out of the box and place the fork over the front of the box to use it as a bike stand. Then begin removing any excess packing from the bike. Next, use an Allen key to remove the face plate stem bolts. Then place your bars to your desired riding position and make sure to tighten all 4 stem faceplate bolts evenly so that there is no gap in between the bars and stem. Make sure to also torque the bolts down to the recommended torque spec that can be found on your bars or stem. Next, we will install your saddle to your seat post. Next, lift your bike out of the box and place it upside down, and remove any excess packing. Make sure to remove the brake caliper spacers. When placing the derailleur, notice the notch that it will sit on. Then line up the derailleur and tighten down using an Allen key. Next, remove the rear through axle before installing your wheel. When installing the rear wheel, line up the chain with the highest gear in your cassette and place the through axle in, tightening it down using the Allen key. Next, remove the front through axle and place the front wheel in, aligning the disc with the brake caliper. Then place the through axle back in and tighten it down. Make sure you check your fork air pressure before riding by removing the air cap and using a shock pump to add air back into the fork. Make sure to check the manual provided for all fork settings. Before we get to riding, make sure that you check all bolts and that your tire pressure is good. Once you're done, you can head out on your next adventure.